Hey guys, it's Libby, and today I'm going to be trying a new trend, slime. So, Hey guys, it's Libby, and today we're going to be trying a new trend, slime. So, I know this has been going around a lot, so I'm going to be doing fluffy slime today, and I thought that would be really cool. I know I haven't been uploading in a while, but here it comes. And I'm getting ready to go to middle school, so yeah, that's a big deal. I also want to tell you guys maybe in the future that we're going to be having a room tour, and maybe we're going to be doing some episodes. Go check that out in the App Store if you want to know more about it. So anyways, let's get into making slime. So, now we're going to make the slime, which I'm really excited for. This is a slime jar that I got, and just to store it when I'm finished, if it even works. Just kidding. Okay, so first, I'm gonna show you what I have for you with all my. What am I gonna say? This is ingredients. So, I have glue here first, and it's clear. I thought that would be nice. I have liquid starch. I have some food dye here, and I'm going to be using glue. And I have shaving cream, and I'm excited for shaving cream. And then I have my bowl where I'm going to mix it and everything, and my keyboard. So, alright, let's get this started. So, let's start. I'm gonna add the glue in first. Alright, let's dump all this clear glue in. Is that all out? Okay. It's almost out. I don't know why, but I'm getting this feeling like I liked it. It looked nice when it was in the bottle. I don't know if any of you have that kind of feeling. Alright, so that is out. Come on. Alright, so next comes the awesome food coloring. Alright, let's do one drop. Alright, that's how much I'm gonna add. I'm gonna just start stirring that up. Alright, that is looking good. Alright, so next is our little shaving cream. Alright. Oh geez. Let's see how that goes. Alright. This is gonna be really fluffy. Oh look, that's a bubble. Oh, do you see that? Alright, so next we're going to be adding some lovely liquid starch. I'm going to be adding a little bit at a time, and then I'm going to be stirring it. So I really just hope this turns out well. Do some stirring. Alright. More of that. Oh yeah, that's starting to come together. Look at that, guys. It's starting to come together. This is definitely slime. This is a really bright blue. This needs more food coloring. I'm gonna add one more drop. There we go. Feeling that was kind of light. Alright, hopefully we can get its color in. Alright guys, look at this. My final results. I also added some more food dye to that, as you can see. And so much for the clear liquid glue, because it's opaque. Totally not see-through, but it's fine. And it's my first slime, and it feels really fluffy. And I'm going to be adding a little more liquid starch because it's a little sticky, and maybe some shaving cream. I'm not sure. Excuse me. That was the doggy. You know. So, as you can see, it's pretty nice. Oh god. It comes off really easily. And now it's stuck to my arm. With slime, you gotta always be prepared. Alright, let me add some stuff. Alright, let's put this back in. So I'm gonna add a little bit more of the liquid starch. Hopefully that will make it the perfect slime anyone's ever wanted. I like mine fluffy. Alright, time for some more kneading. Oh, it's so slippery. But again, it feels like a fresh shower. Alright, so I made the perfect slime, I think. As you can see. So now, I think I'm just about ready to put it in our slime container. And I hope this fits, because it's huge. It's like about the same size. So, let's just open this up. I'm gonna leave you right there for a second. Let's open this slime jar. I'm excited to add this in. Alright, ready? Here comes the big part. Stuffing it in. Alright, let's go. Oh, it farted. It farted. This is like silly putty. Well, look. Here we have it. Our little slime in the slime jar. For the first time, my first ever slime, and I can't believe it turned out so well. A little smudge. Whatever. But here we are, slime, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will make a room tour, upload episode, you know, that kind of jazz, and maybe another type of slime. We'll see. Bye!